I'm coming. Coming to find you. I wonder where that sneaky little girl is. Why is there a floating cat? Ah! And floating clothes. And floating, what are these things? Floating shoes, floating, wait, no, shoes aren't floating. Oh, okay, when they go up in the air, they are. Okay, now it's lifting up the blanket. Now that's just weird. Wait. Oh, a phone. Oh, wait, what? How's the phone doing that? So creepy. Okay, Kaden, I knew that's you, so it's my turn to hide. Okay? I'll tell you when to come find me, okay? Come find me, I'm under the dining room table. You're weird. Okay, go hide. Hide somewhere I can't see you, okay? Hi, Elsa. Okay, can't see her. Okay. Are you done? Yeah. Hide somewhere I won't be able to find you, okay? Okay. Found you.